Hey guys, ever been caught up in the madness of a busy dinner rush, constantly pressing pepper and salt grinders? Well, meet my secret weapon, the Sweet Alice electric pepper and salt grinder set. Trust me, it's a game changer. Picture this. Your hand hovers over the grinder, ready to add that perfect seasoning. With its automatic operation and gravity sensor switch, just a flip and voila! Freshly ground pepper or salt without lifting a finger. It feels almost magical. Now let's talk customization. Ever struggle to get that right texture for your dishes? Whether I'm prepping steak or pasta, the adjustable coarseness feature lets me fine-tune the grind to perfection. It seriously makes a difference in both flavor and presentation. And here's the kicker. Late night dinners under dim lights just got way cooler. Thanks to the blue LED light, I can effortlessly sprinkle just the right amount of seasoning even in low light. No more guesswork, just pure precision. Running on 6-day batteries might seem like a downside, but honestly, it means no cord clutter and freedom to move around unrestricted. Perfect for